There's a bird on your head by Willems. That is an elephant, and that's Piggy. But that is Lord CC Judge Award. Pretty cool, that's right. Bee, 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 bee. Piggy! Blump. Is there something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Bird! Bird on my head now. Beep, beep, beep. No. Beep, 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 beep. No, there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? What are two birds doing on my head? They're in love. Nine birds on my head, they're in love. Bee, bee, bee. Bee, bee, bee. They are birds. Bee, bee, bee. Bee, bee, bee. They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? Plump, 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 plump. Okay, let's go back to the book. Do I have an egg on my head? Three. Yeah, three eggs on my head. I do not want three eggs on my head. I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching. Eggs on my head are hatching. Baby. I do not want three baby chickens in a nest on my head. I want them. Do you want them? Somewhere else. Boing. Why not I send the good somewhere else? Yeah, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Could you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. No, there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. The end.